So, hi friends, so today we're gonna introduce you about the iPad facility which is known as the Scribble. So, today we're gonna discuss about Scribble. So what is Scribble? So, we know after every update, iPad comes with different, iOS comes with different version. So, this Scribble is simply just scribbling. So, if you scribble the words etc., it will become text. Let me show you how. So first take the text tool, okay, then I'm gonna write something, but before that I have to make it as white. Okay, so I'm gonna scribble happiness. See, so this is not a scribble. So if you want to delete something, just scribble it. The whole text will be deleted. This amazing update of iOS. So let's see, let's scribble something else. So let's write I am happy today. It automatically becomes so. And also if you want to cut something, just scribble it and delete it. You have to make some space, copy, etc. You can do like that and just scribble and delete it. So it's amazing iOS. I'm happy. Yeah, so it's scribbled and it's deleted. So it's an amazing thing about Scribble. So every iPad users, please update your iOS version and be the part of Scribble. So it's not fixed to Notability. You can use in OneNote also, in Notes app also. So that's how it works, and thank you for listening, and this is about the Scribble.